Minister for Higher Education and IT Raja Yasir Humayun on Wednesday said that collective efforts are dearly needed to tackle the issue of second wave of COVID-19. He was speaking at the launching ceremony of annual report of Barki Institute of Public Policy at the Lahore Chamber of Commerce and Industry. The minister said that collective efforts and collective decisions are a must to face the challenge posed by COVID-19. People should have to show responsibility. He further stated that promotion of industry-academia linkage is a key to resolving social problems and uplifting the country economy. He said that academia must come forward and play its due role. Raja Yasir Humayun said that academia is main advisory body in all developed country and the research being done at university is not only being used by the industry but by the government institution and policymaker as well. LCC President Mia Tariq Misbah said that in pre-pandemic time, Pakistan economy had just started moving towards stability. There are no doubts that the pandemic economy fallout will considerably derail the country recovery process. He said that Pakistan is facing still economic challenges including high inflation of around 9%, 30% of devaluation in last 2 years, continuous stagnation in export, negative growth rate of industry and shrinking of GDP growth from 1.9% to negative 0.4%. These challenges have been made more so due to the outbreak of corona pandemic, while the second wave is still posing dangers.